What's good, YouTube, bro? Man, kid coming through with another match analysis. Man, before this match analysis start, please make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe, man. You know we did so. First of all, yesterday we had UEFA Champions League League One games, and today we're also having UEFA Championships League One games. So yesterday I had the video recorded, but I couldn't post it because I don't know, maybe it was only in my area where I live, but we didn't have network. No Wi-Fi, no data, nothing was working, bruh. So I'm late, man. You know, we're back. We've got Bayern Munich versus Red Bull also back. So let's jump on to the match analysis, man. Okay, so I would say Bayern Munich or Red, whatever it's called, over 2.5. Bayern Munich or Red Bull Salzburg over 2.5. Okay. Up next we have got Inter Milan versus Liverpool. So this one is a tough one, man. You know, I say in YouTube, bro. This one's a really tough one. So let's crack this nut, man. You know we lead. Okay, so as you boys can see, we're gonna go with Liga or Inter under 4.5. Next, Atletico Madrid versus Levante, but this is not clubs, it is La Liga. This is not clubs, it is La Liga. So let's see what Atletico Madrid have for us. Okay. As you can see, Atletico Madrid last game they won 4-3, they lost 4-2 to Barcelona. So I would go with draw or Atletico Madrid or draw under 4.5 because Levante have been losing all the games, bruh. So if Atletico Madrid lose this one, bruh, I'm so confused. Let's check, let's see. Let's check one more time, nation, bro. Okay, let's go with double chance under 4. Atletico Madrid or Levante under 4. Then up next we have got English Championship, Peterborough United versus Reading FC. You know what I'm saying? Here, check, bro. This week, bruh, YouTube, man, make sure if you wanna be lit for real, man, make sure you check out our VIP group, man. We lit over there. It is a paid group. If you wanna join, my number's gonna be in the description of the video. So I'm trying to win 5 tickets in the row starting from today. So make sure you be part of that movement, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, don't miss out, bro. Okay, so it's Peterborough United versus Liverpool FC over 1.5. That is 6.21 odds, nation, bruh. Hopefully it satisfy your hunger, nation, man. I'ma copy the booking ticket, so I'ma post it on the comment section, you know what I'm saying, bruh. So let me quickly go over the ticket with y'all, and we should be lit, we should be gone. So it's Salzburg or Bayern Munich over 2.5, Inter Milan or Liverpool under 4, Atletico or Juventus under 4, Petersburg or Reading over 1.5. We're booking the code so that I can quickly post for you also, man. I don't want to forget, it's gonna be in the comment section, man. comment section. I'm gonna pin the comments. So without further ado, man, let's get this video to 100 likes so we can unlock tomorrow's match analysis and be lit for the whole week. We gone, bruh.